Hi, we have a VELLFIRE to do car soundproofing today. The customer complaint, his car is very noisy, so we offer him a partial soundproofing installation to reduce the noise. What shall we do? Since the customer has the budget, we will do a partial soundproofing installation. Let's go and see how we do it. To begin with, before installing soundproofing materials at Car Comfort Shop, each customer must undergo a noise check inspection. This is intended to identify the actual source of the noise problem and to gather initial data on the condition of the car. With this data, we can ensure that the soundproofing installation is done accurately based on the specific requirements of each car. Most importantly, the sound inspection service provided by Car Comfort Shop is free for all customers. Okay, do you know where we are now? We are here at CCS Car Comfort Shop, Penang. For this car, how do we solve the noise? We will start with engine noise. The engine vibration noise will start at area under car wiper and engine hood. We will install the materials in these two areas. First, we will use the AutoFun materials with 5 years warranty on the area under the car wiper and engine hood. We will also install materials on the front car fender, as the fender is the most vibrated part in the car. Next, we will show you where we have the soundproofing installation. See, we use the materials, AutoFun EX4, a 3.5 mm thickness vibration damping material on car fender, and a 2.6 mm thickness on the wheel arch plastic cover. The noise reduction effect on the tire running noise will reduce at least 30% after these materials are installed. On car door, do you know what is the noise problem on it? Can hear the empty sound? We will use AutoFun M3 to install on the car door. So we use AutoFun M3 to install on the car outer metal door, and we use also the AutoFun Sim A4 as the second layer to install on top of the EX4. For middle car metal door, we will use AutoFun M2 to cover the holes on the middle door. We will use the same materials for the rear door. Okay, the rear side of the car. We will install material on rear door, as this rear door is also not rigid. The material we use in this area is AutoFun M2, a 2 mm thickness vibration damping material. After this, there is a very important area that we need to do soundproofing, which is the front car floor. Let's go and see how to do the front car floor soundproofing. You can see here what factory material is used on the front car floor. A thick poly foam is used on front car floor. This won't reduce the noise from the front car floor. So we will use two different materials to reduce the noise here, the AutoFun EX4 and Dr. Artek's VBB7 Plus. We will show you how to dismantle the parts in the car and also how we install the materials on it. At Car Comfort Shop, we have assisted over 16,000 customers in resolving driving noise issues. With our skilled team, we ensure that every customer's car is handled professionally. Okay, we can see now the materials are installed on engine hood and area under car wiper. The soundproofing installation on area under car wiper is to reduce the vibration noise entering car interior dashboard. The soundproofing installation non-car engine hood will also reduce the hood vibration and insulate the heat from engine 2. So the noises will reduce if the vibration in these two areas can reduce. In this car's fender area, we use the AutoFun EX4 vibration damper. This is highly important for reducing noise from the tires during driving. Next, in the wheel arch section of this car, we use the AutoFun M3 vibration damper. This vibration damper functions to reduce vibrations in the plastic wheel arch and tire noise while driving. See, we have removed all parts of the door. See what is inside. On door metal plates, the metal vibration is big and creates loud noise when we knock on it. You can see we installed a 2.3mm thick vibration damping material. This material is to reduce the metal plate's vibration. After that, we install the noise insulating material on top of the vibration damping material. The noise insulating material will further reduce the noise. At the same time, we will also insulate the heat from the door. The third layer material we use is a 2.0mm vibration damping material. This is to cover the big holes in the door. So, the outside noise will be totally blocked entering the car cabin. The metal plate on this layer will reduce vibration too. The next part of installation on door is the rubber hose. The car's rubber hose will seal the door gap, but not 100%. So, we will insert a solid rubber tube into the car rubber hose. This is the rubber tube we are going to insert, a 7mm rubber tube from Russia with warranty of 10 years, or you think it is a whole life warranty material as it will never break. See how elastic this material is when we pull long without breaking. The last part of door soundproofing will be the inner plastic door trim. We will use a noise-absorbing material that can absorb the noise in the door and also prevent any friction caused by the wire hitting on the plastic door trim. We can see now the car front floor's carpet is removed. We will now install a 3.5mm vibration damping material on it to reduce the vibration. After that, we will install a noise insulating material to block the noise from floor. You can see the second layer material on the car floor now. It is Drartex VBB 7 Plus material. In the trunk area, we use the AutoFun EX4 material. This is crucial for reducing vibration noise from the rear bonnet during driving. Through the sound inspection we conducted after installing the soundproofing material in this car, we found a significant change in the sound data before and after installation. For those interested in learning more about soundproofing installation at Car Comfort Shop, please visit any of our official platforms. Visit Car Comfort Shop for more information.
Visit Car Comfort Shop for more info.